Welcome, everyone. Welcome, leaders, to this afternoon session today. We are very pleased to bring in front of you yet another uh, product, new development product, which is going to take your business even further ahead. We continue to make our developments and invest in them. Before moving forward today in this session, I am very pleased to have to share with you that we have with us our Chief Sales Officer, Vijay Gulani, who will take us through a business overview and setting the context about this important product launch which is happening, the Amway Creators Plus app. So I would now request Vijay Gulani, our Chief Sales Officer, to come in and share with us the current business overview as well as the context for bringing in this new product development. Over to you, Vijay.
Thank you, Suneet. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Hello, everyone. It's such a pleasure to come together on the first day of the calendar month. Second half of the performance year, kicks in from today, from now. All the announcements we made, had a reflection on March business, and these were basis your feedback, and it is so heartening to see it is helping you and leaders in your organization. Post the original announcements we made at the start of March, we announced tweaks in the program on 13th of March. All of this, whether it was the original announcements or the tweaks that we made in the program, was basis your feedback. So I want to reassure you, Amway is listening. A lot of leaders have got into the program in March and have qualified their first month. Heartiest congratulations to all of those who have started their journey, towards qualifying in each of these programs. For others, I would encourage you and your teams to get in from April and benefit from all the announcements that we made for March to August. FSCI events supported by Nuclide. This was the first key announcements we made in March. We have covered 3 key locations, in the month of March. We had gone to Bangalore, Delhi, and Lucknow. And it witnessed overwhelming participation by you and your organization, your customers, and your prospects. The second key announcement was the Team Nuclide and the Beauty Achievers Club reward. It rewards leaders, especially at the foundation pin level, for acquiring and retaining their loyal customer base. Team right now is finalizing logistics to hold our first bronze forum with the personal engagement format. And you will hear soon, from us on it. The 25th anniversary exclusive collectors, gold coin program is received also very well, by you and by your teams. To know how you can maximize on your, earning from this program, I would encourage you to talk to your account manager, your upline, and put together your action plan to qualify, for this as well. For business seminar, that we will host in Goa, we have made the invite even more inclusive for all the founder platinums in the business. So be ready for once in a lifetime experience. You don't want to miss celebrating 25 years of Amway in India. This event will be bigger than any of our previous events ever that we have hosted. And finally, the kickoff of the physical events. Monthly bulletin speaks about the large format events we will host in May and June. We will also pilot physical format monthly meetings in April with some of the select locations and LOSs. So more power in your hands. All the interventions that I just re-articulated are to help you and your teams create a strong foundation in the 25th anniversary year and get set to a great start of the new performance year starting from September. Well, I must tell you, a lot is happening in April. The first one is that there are going to be even more FSCI event, which are going to be supported by new client. We have done 3 in March. We will be doing 13 more events in April and beyond. We've announced new promotions, new launches, and all of this was announced through the monthly bulletin that we released last night. LEAP. And with the LEAP program, we committed ourselves to help our key leaders build new skill set, so to build a future-ready business. They have stayed engaged for last 1 year with I am the one. And I want to sincerely thank all the participants for their commitment and overwhelming participation in all the virtual sessions that took place. And there were essentially 4 batches that we spread all the participants in. The batch 1 and the batch 2 will go through a 2-day on-campus module and the felicitation ceremony. Batch 3 and batch 4 will go through the same experience in July. Also in April, the key leaders will come together for a workshop to brainstorm, co-create solution to address some of the hygiene issues, in our business. And you would see us moving forward with the execution excellence on those initiatives as well. We stay committed to India and to your business and your organization. We are investing even more in India, be it in the innovation and science lab or investing in technology. Today, the team will walk you through with the all-new business app as a one-stop solution for all our areas. We will keep building on this by adding more capabilities to create the ease of doing business for you and your organization. All of this is to help you and your teams build a strong Amway business by keeping customers at the heart of it and through need-based selling that you offer to your consumers. With that, thank you once again for joining us today, and over to the team.
Thank you so much, Vijay, for setting the context. All the business interventions which have been put in place, the positivity which is created, how they are linking forward, and the more initiatives which are coming in from April. And then setting the context and where does the Amway Creators app sit as a part of our strategy, the commitment of Amway, more commitment in the coming future for the India 25th year. Thank you very much, Vijay. So now taking this session forward with the Amway Creators app launch, let us now hear from a colleague. I will be inviting one of my colleagues who will speak upon what is the Creators Plus app, what is the current, what is the future, what it is supposed to do. And my colleague is Suhani from the technology team. She will give an overview about the Creators app journey, current and how it's going to pan out. And subsequent to that, we will get into the actual walkthrough and the live demos of the new app. So I'd like to invite my colleague Suhani from the technology team to take us through an overview of Amway Creators app. Over to you, Suhani.
Thank you so much, Suneet. Namaskar, good afternoon, leaders. I'm very pleased to be here, and as a part of the team, I'm happy to introduce Amway Creators Plus application, which we have launched for ease of use for all of you. Before I start, I would also like to thank Vijay for setting the context and letting us know what the future holds for us and how are we paving our path towards growth enhancement using the technology. So just allow me to share my screen. I have just few slides which I will take you through and give you an overview of what this entire application is all about. I hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes.
Thank you for the confirmation. So this is your Amway Creators Plus app. I'm sure you all have received the communication by now. And if you go to app stores and play stores, you'll be able to search Amway Creators Plus and download the new application, all ready for your use. So without taking more time, let me just dive into what the application will look like, how it will help you. So here we are calling this a super app. It is one-stop app for all your business needs. Starting with when we launched our new website last year, this is a step ahead, and adding on to it, we are getting the same platform, a better UI UX in just a click away in your hands. So using the device, using your handsets, the same seamless way of doing business and accessing and browsing through all products, all information about how to do business, all content that you need to create and share on one platform. It's not just this, leaders. You will also be able to, it will actually help you go reach out to your customers better and in a much easier way. So this is our vision for this application. It is just the start. What we have tried now is a phase 1. In the coming phases and new releases, there will be more enhancements that we will continue to keep doing in the application to make business easier. Going ahead, let's see what the application has, what Amway Creator Super App for you, what you will see when you log in. So definitely something that will catch your eye, something in line with the Amway website. It definitely has improved faster performance and a more form. What you definitely track your business milestones, browse through all your product categories, product descriptions and links, make your shopping list, and these action without payment failures. Time customers and new customers, we are making it much more easier for you to reach out to your customers via various features find in the application. On the screen right now, you also see a QR code. This is the QR we will also share with you all in the chat box option, or you will also receive more communication on our official Telegram handle and through our leaderships and bulletins. You will receive these using this QR code or simply by searching Amway Creators Plus, you will be able to download this app. A little more information. This is just an upgrade. In the coming months, there will be more enhancement that we will do, as I just mentioned. So do keep a lookout for it and download the application. I wish you all very best and success for your business. That's all for me. And before closing, I would just like to highlight one more thing, that the old business that you already have installed on your phones, you will have to uninstall that and then install the application. The old application has already stopped working. It will not move ahead. It will show you a notification stating that you need to download Amway Creators Plus application. This is all from my end. If you have any questions, please do feel free to reach out to your SAMs, MAMs, or just raise a query on our help center and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you from my end, and I pass on the mic to Sunit again.
Thank you so much, सुहानी. सुहानी, आपका बहुत धन्यवाद. विजय और सुहानी से अभी हमने बिजनेस ओवरव्यू, क्रिएटर्स ऐप की क्या पोजीशन है हमारे फ्यूचर स्ट्रेटजी में, और एमवे क्रिएटर्स ऐप का बैकग्राउंड क्या है, what is it meant to do, ये सब we got the overview of this. So that sets us in a right place now to understand. अब ये देखेंगे कि इस क्रिएटर्स प्लस ऐप के फीचर्स क्या है. आज का सेशन एक वॉक थ्रू के लिए था और अभी हम वही करने जा रहे हैं. We'll get into the walk through right now. So once again, capturing from what Suhani told us, and Vijay also highlighted that this is going to be a super app. ये पहला stage है जहां पर हम existing features को creators के platform पे हमने transfer किया है. So all the features which we were already having, that is going to be available here. And from here you will see जितने भी हमारे strategic priorities है, जो नए features हैं, वो सब इस ऐप के अंदर आती जाएंगी. तो द प्लेटफॉर्म इज क्रिएटेड, वी हैव माइग्रेटेड नाउ टू दिस न्यू प्लेटफॉर्म. और अभी हम आपको दिखाएंगे हमारे जो हर एरिया के जो एक्सपर्ट्स हैं, हम आपको लाइव अभी वॉक थ्रू कराएंगे. सबसे पहले हम प्रोफाइल मैनेजमेंट करेंगे और माई अकाउंट के पार्ट. उसके बाद हम करेंगे बिजनेस डैशबोर्ड, जो कि लैंडिंग पेज भी है. इफ एनी ऑफ यू हैव ऑलरेडी डाउनलोडेड द न्यू ऐप, यू वुड सी अ न्यू ब्लू कलर लैंडिंग पेज. That will be the business dashboard. तो पहले प्रोफाइल मैनेजमेंट करेंगे, फिर बिजनेस डैशबोर्ड, और उसके बाद द इम्पोर्टेंट शॉपिंग जर्नी टू कंप्लीट ट्रांजैक्शंस एंड मूव योर बिजनेस फॉरवर्ड. इस सीक्वेंस में हम इसकी वॉक थ्रू करेंगे. तो इसके लिए we will have different speakers come in and we will take you through the walk through. So what I will do now is invite my the first speaker to take you through profile management and my account. My colleague Sonakshi will be coming to show you this walkthrough. So I am inviting Sonakshi. Over to you, Sonakshi.
Thank you so much, Suneet, and a very warm welcome to all the leaders and all the distributors. So I will take you through the profile section just mentioned, as mentioned by Suneet, and let me just share my mobile screen for that. Now, what you will see on the screen is the app which is currently available, like Suhani mentioned, in the App Store and the Play Stores. So you can download this app from there, and you can uninstall the previous app that was already there. So now this is my mobile screen. You will see that we have the Amway logo right here. So this is what the Amway Creators app logo will look like. Let's click on that. And this is the page that you will land on once you've downloaded the app. So we will start from the login. Once I click on login, this is the screen that I will land on. In order to log into the app, I need to enter my registered mobile number and password. And you can see that I need to then checkbox the terms of use and privacy policy. In case I have downloaded the app, but I do not remember my password, I have the option to set up a new password using the forgot password option right here. So let's just look at how to quickly change the password using this option. Let's click on forgot password. You will have the option to enter your registered mobile number. तो यहाँ पर आप अपना registered mobile number enter कर सकते हैं. जब मैं अपना registered mobile number enter कर रही हूँ, if my number is correct, system will be able to recognize it और ये submit का button जो आपको दिख रहा है ये activate हो जाएगा. अगर I enter a mobile number which is not a registered mobile number, तो आप देखेंगे there is an error which will pop up on the screen that you are not a registered user. So let's enter the correct number. And the submit option becomes active. जब मैं submit पे click करूंगी, this will take me to the next screen. It will tell me that an OTP has been sent on my registered mobile number. And I will come to the next page. यहाँ पर आप अपना OTP enter कर सकते हैं. तो मैं यहाँ पर कुछ भी I am just entering a random OTP. But आप वो OTP enter करेंगे जो आपके मोबाइल नंबर पे आ रहा है. And the screen will take you to the next page where you can enter a new password. आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर you also have the help text. इस screen के नीचे help text दिया हुआ है where you will see what all you need to enter for a password. Once I have entered the password, the save changes option that becomes active. I can click on it and my password will be set up. In this case, यहाँ पर मैंने incorrect OTP डाला है. I've just entered a random OTP. तो यहाँ पर when I click on save changes, it will tell me that the verification code entered is invalid. Please try again. So if you enter that correctly, you should be able to change the password and move on. This is how you will change the password if in case you do not remember the password. Let's go back to the previous screens. इस login screen के नीचे one more thing that I would like to notify you about is sign in option के नीचे जिन लोगों ने भी Android पे जो भी ऐप अभी यूज कर रहे होंगे या डाउनलोड करेंगे उनको साइन इन ऑप्शन के नीचे एक रजिस्टर एज एन Amway डायरेक्ट सेलिंग पार्टनर का ऑप्शन भी दिखाई देगा. अभी के लिए iOS में वो इन प्रोग्रेस है, so you will be able to see that on iOS also shortly. But if you have an Android version of the app, then that option would already be there. Let's now log in into the profile and move from there. Once you enter the correct combination of mobile number and password, the app will be logged in successfully. And this is the landing page. ये हमारा landing page है. This is the business section of the app. प्रोफाइल सेक्शन में जाने के लिए आप देखेंगे कि बिजनेस सेक्शन के टॉप राइट कॉर्नर पे देयर इज अ प्रोफाइल आइकन. वंस यू क्लिक ऑन दैट प्रोफाइल आइकन, द प्रोफाइल सेक्शन विल ओपन अप. तो ये हमारा प्रोफाइल सेक्शन है ऐप का. इन दिस प्रोफाइल सेक्शन you can see that all of the details are categorized into different categories, so we'll cover all of them one by one. सबसे पहली category that you see is account. Account के अंदर we have two further categories or subcategories, personal and bank. Let's start with personal information. Once I click on personal information, I can see the display name or the ADSP account name. उसके नीचे आपको अपना ADS partner number दिखाई देगा. Further down, you will be able to see the registered mobile number and the registered email address. And then if you scroll down further, you will be able to see the registered or the billing address. तो यहाँ पर आपको अपना नाम, अपना ABO number, अपना registered mobile number, email address और registered address आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं. All of this information is non-editable, so you can view it from here. Now, if you want to go back to the previous screen, you can see that right on the top left corner, there is a back arrow. Just click on it and it will take you back to the previous screen. In this section, in account section, the next category is bank information. Let's click here. बैंक इंफॉर्मेशन पे क्लिक करूंगे तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर कि बैंक अकाउंट डिटेल्स ओपन हो जाती हैं. यू कैन सी द बैंक अकाउंट होल्डर्स नेम, द IFSC कोड, द बैंक नेम, अकाउंट नंबर एंड द अकाउंट स्टेटस. सो ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आप यहाँ से व्यू कर सकते हैं. दिस इज ऑल्सो इन अ नॉन एडिटेबल फॉर्मेट. अगेन, टू गो बैक टू द प्रीवियस स्क्रीन, click on the back arrow and you will come into the same profile section once again. Profile section की next category है shopping. Shopping के अंदर हमारा पहला section है shipping address. Let's click on shipping address. जब मैं shipping address पे click करूंगी तो this will take me to the list of all the shipping addresses which are available under this account. So you can see all of these shipping addresses are available here. अब इस section से I can perform 3 actions. I can add a new address, I can delete an existing address or edit any of the existing addresses. Let's start by adding an address. आप यहाँ पर देखेंगे under the default address there is an add address option. Let's click on that add address and this pop-up will open up. Here you can enter your address details. जहां पर भी asterisk का icon है, all of that information is mandatory, so that needs to be added. Once you've entered everything, you can come down, scroll down to the screen. You will see that there is a set as default delivery address. Default delivery address set करने के लिए यहाँ पर एक toggle का option दिया हुआ है at the very bottom. अगर आप इसको default address बनाना चाहते हैं तो आप इस toggle button को click करेंगे, ये automatically आपके click करते ही select हो जाएगा. And then you can click on add new address. ये new address आपके account में add भी हो जाएगा और आपका default delivery address भी बन जाएगा. So this is how you can add an address. अगर आपको कोई एड्रेस डिलीट करना है तो हर एक एड्रेस के आगे यू कैन सी देयर इज अ रेडियो बटन. यहाँ पर एक रेडियो बटन दिया हुआ है. उस एड्रेस के आगे का रेडियो बटन आप क्लिक करें एंड जैसे ही आप इसको क्लिक करेंगे द डिलीट एड्रेस ऑप्शन विल बिकम एक्टिव. क्लिक ऑन डिलीट एड्रेस और ये एड्रेस आपकी लिस्ट से डिलीट हो जाएगा. द थर्ड ऑप्शन दैट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट इज एडिट. अंडरनीथ द रेडियो बटन यू कैन सी कि एक पेन आइकन बना हुआ है विच इज द एडिट आइकन. यहां पर हम इस आइकन पे क्लिक करते हैं तो एडिट पेज विल ओपन अप. यू कैन सी दिस इज द एडिट एड्रेस पेज. You can enter the details that you want to enter here. Whatever changes you want to make, just make those changes. And then you can save this edited address also. Just like add address, under edit address also you have the option of selecting this to be your default delivery address for future orders. This is all that you have in the shipping address section. Now let's go back to the previous screen. जब मैं शिपिंग एड्रेस के बैक बटन पे क्लिक करती हूँ, instead of taking me to the profile section, this will take me to the shop section of the app. अब अगर मुझे यहाँ से प्रोफाइल सेक्शन में जाना है तो बॉटम ऑफ द स्क्रीन में आपको दो आइकन दिखेंगे, एक शॉप आइकन है एंड द फर्स्ट वन which is on the left hand side is the business icon. So I'll click on that and I can come back to the profile screen. हमने ऑलरेडी शॉपिंग के अंदर शिपिंग एड्रेस कवर किया है. लेट्स गो टू द ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री. जब मैं ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री पे क्लिक करूंगी तो मेरा ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री पेज ओपन हो जाएगा. यू कैन सी दैट द ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री पेज इज नाउ ओपन. I have the option of viewing all of my orders. If I want to see any particular order in depth, I can click on the view order detail and the order detail of that particular order will open up. So I can view this information. If I want to go back from the order detail page to the order history page, I'll click on the back icon and here I am on the previous page again. अगर यहाँ पर मुझे कोई specific filter करने हैं orders by the status or the channel or the type, I can click on this left hand icon of filter and the filter options will open up. So I can filter as per my convenience of what I want to view. This is the order history section. Now going back to the profile section, once again I will land on shop section. To go back to profile, I need to click on the business icon. Next section in profile is my sponsor details. अगर हम my sponsor details पे यहाँ क्लिक करते हैं, so you will be able to see your sponsor details. आपके sponsor का नाम, उनका ADSP number, the city that your sponsor is from, and their contact information is there. So you can view that information from here and then contact your sponsor as and when required. Once again, we come back to the previous section. अगले 4 sections जो आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं, help and support, contact us, privacy notice and terms of use. इन चारों के आगे you will be able to see कि एक arrow बना हुआ है. There is an arrow icon in front of them, and that arrow is denoting that this page is going to redirect you outside of the app. तो मैं जैसे ही इन sections पे click करूंगी, ये मुझे app से बाहर एक web page पे ले जाएंगे. So let's look at the first option, which is help and support. मैं जैसे ही हेल्प एंड सपोर्ट पे क्लिक करती हूँ, ये मुझे ऐप से बाहर एक वेब पेज पे ले आएगा एंड दैट इज द लैंडिंग पेज ऑफ Amway केयर. आप Amway केयर के लैंडिंग पेज पे आ जाएंगे, जहां पर आप अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से कोई भी अगर आर्टिकल सर्च करना चाहते हैं तो कर सकते हैं. आपके पास आर्टिकल सर्च करने के लिए 2 ऑप्शंस हैं. आप यहाँ से सर्च ऑप्शन में जाकर टाइप करके पूरे Amway केयर में से कोई भी आर्टिकल सर्च कर सकते हैं. अगर आप कोई स्पेसिफिक कैटेगरी में सर्च करना चाहते हैं तो आप उस कैटेगरी पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं और देन उस कैटेगरी के सारे आर्टिकल्स के लिंक आपको यहाँ दिख जाएंगे, या फिर आप उस कैटेगरी के अंदर जाकर भी उसको सर्च कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन यूज द ऑप्शन ऑफ Amway केयर. नाउ इस समय मैं ऐप के बाहर आ चुकी हूँ. आई एम आउटसाइड ऑफ द ऐप. आई हैव बीन रीडायरेक्टेड टू अ वेबसाइट. सो इफ आई नाउ वांट टू गो बैक टू द ऐप, आई विल हैव टू टॉगल बिटवीन माय स्क्रीन. ऐप में वापस जाने के लिए मुझे अपनी स्क्रीन टॉगल करनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि मैं वेब पेज पर आ गई हूँ. आई एम नॉट इन द ऐप. सो आई विल टॉगल माय स्क्रीन एंड गो बैक टू द Amway क्रिएटर्स ऐप. दिस इज आवर ऐप. हम हेल्प एंड सपोर्ट देख चुके हैं. अगला सेक्शन इन सर्विसेज एंड केयर है कॉन्टैक्ट अस. जस्ट लाइक हेल्प एंड सपोर्ट, जब मैं कॉन्टैक्ट अस पे क्लिक करूंगी तो ये भी मुझे Amway की वेबसाइट पे ले जाएगा एंड यहाँ पर मुझे जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन दिखती है कॉन्टैक्ट अस में, आई कैन सी ऑल ऑफ दैट हियर, विच इज द Amway एड्रेस, द कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर ऑफ द कस्टमर केयर एंड द डिटेल्स ऑफ ऑल आवर शॉप्स. Once again, ऐप पे वापस जाने के लिए I will toggle between my screen and I can come back to the app like that. लीगल के अंदर 2 सेक्शन है, प्रिवेसी नोटिस एंड टर्म्स ऑफ यूज. ये भी आपको Amway की वेबसाइट पर ले जाएंगे जहां पर ये दोनों पॉलिसीज अवेलेबल हैं. सो दिस इज द प्रोफाइल सेक्शन. कमिंग टू द लास्ट 2 ऑप्शंस इन प्रोफाइल सेक्शन. अगर आप लॉग आउट पे क्लिक करते हैं तो आप इस ऐप से लॉग आउट हो जाएंगे. अगर आप ऐप पे क्लिक नहीं करते हैं तो बाय डिफॉल्ट व्हेनेवर यू क्लिक ऑन द ऐप you will be already signed in. आपको बार बार इस पे साइन इन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आप अगर आप ऐप को किल कर देते हैं एंड दोबारा से ओपन करते हैं तो भी यू विल बी ऑटो साइंड इन. सो यू डोंट नीड टू साइन इन अगेन एंड अगेन अनलेस you click on log out. The last option here is chat with Myra. This is a newer feature which is not there in the previous version of the app. वहां पर हमारे पास Myra का option नहीं था. यहाँ पर Myra is available, so I can click on chat with Myra. And Myra will open up similar to the experience that you have on the website. The same experience you will have here on the app also. जैसे Myra वहां पर आपको एक list of options देती है. The same list of options you can access now from within the app. So I can select any option here and have a conversation with Myra similar to what I do on the website. Once I'm done talking to Myra, जब मेरी Myra से जो भी information मुझे चाहिए थी मिल गई है, I will click on the end chat option which is on the top right hand side. And this will end my conversation with Myra. आप rate कर सकते हैं या skip and close कर सकते हैं. And you can click on the done option which is on the left hand, top left hand corner, and you will come back to the profile section. So this is the profile section. With that, I hope you have you download the app and you do not face any problems in accessing the profile section. And I will now hand over the mic to Sunit to take you through the business section. Thank you so much, everyone.
थैंक यू सो मच सोनाक्षी. हमें प्रोफाइल मैनेजमेंट और माई अकाउंट सेक्शन में अच्छी तरह विस्तृत जानकारी देने के लिए. तो जो स्क्रीन अभी आपको दिख रहा है, दिस ब्लू कलर स्क्रीन, ये आपका landing page hai. Whenever you come onto the app, this is the first screen you will get. Now here there is a little bit different जो look and feel है, थोड़ा बदल गया है current app से. And जो current app है उसमें आपके current points दिखाता है. Next level तक green color का एक वो होता था कि how much you need to reach the next level. और सारे options left side top पे एक hamburger menu होती थी. यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे in this particular app ये landing page है. जैसे सोनाक्षी ने आपको बताया, नीचे आपको दो आइकन्स हैं. एक ग्राफ टाइप का बना है, ये बिजनेस सेक्शन के लिए, बिजनेस एंड माय प्रोफाइल, और शॉप का आइकन बना है वो शॉपिंग के लिए. तो जैसे ही आप ऐप पे आएंगे, सबसे पहले ये स्क्रीन दिखेगा. एक यहाँ पे नया एक फीचर है, एक को जैसे दिख रहा है अप्रैल अर्निंग्स. आपको इमीडिएटली उस महीने के हाउ मच इज योर मंथली करंट अर्निंग दैट इज डिस्प्लेड टू यू एज अ समरी. तो यहाँ पे जिस तरह का बिल्ड है, यू विल सी दैट इट रेप्लिकेट्स द वे जैसे आपको कोर प्लस पोर्टल में अभी आता है, जो 2 months बैक वी हैड द न्यू यूजर इंटरफेस. सो इसमें 3 सेक्शंस हैं. पहला वाला जो है व्यू ऑल मींस अबाउट योर बिजनेस, आपके बिजनेस के बारे में. नेक्स्ट है आपके कस्टमर्स, उसकी एक समरी है ऑफ द लिस्ट ऑफ योर कस्टमर्स एंड ऑर्डर्स, नॉट द एंटायर डिटेल्स हियर इन दिस सेक्शन. उसके बाद है ग्रुप, which means your team below LOS. Below that are some reports. तो पहले reports hamburger में होती थी. Here you have action reports and you have watch list. तो watch list feature अब app में भी available है for all ADS partners. ये पहले ये feature सिर्फ it was there in MyBiz and Platinums and above could use it, but I'll come to that. It's a very useful feature, especially for all the इनिशिएटिव्स जो अभी अनाउंस हुए हैं अपनी टीम में, जो ट्रैकर्स हैं उनके लिए. बट लेट्स गो थ्रू दिस वन बाय वन. तो पहले ये जो सेक्शन है, तो ये जो एक बॉल सा दिख रहा है, ये बॉल आपको बताएगा कि आप हाउ फार अवे यू आर फ्रॉम योर नेक्स्ट रीचिंग योर नेक्स्ट कमीशन ब्रैकेट. So in this example, this is a live example, but it does not have PV. So the next level is 200 points. And जैसे जैसे the ADS partner does points, the team points increases. ये ball fill होता जाएगा and it will take you closer to the next level, right? Customer order count is shown here. When I click on view all, this tells the summary of the current performance. Again, the potential earnings, team points, which is shown as here in GPV, performance bonus level, customer orders, new customers of the month. एंड बिजनेस रिपोर्ट्स यहाँ से दोबारा यहाँ से भी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. कोर प्लस इंसेंटिव्स में भी जा सकते हैं, एंड अर्निंग्स कैलकुलेटर जो एग्जिस्टिंग है उसके भी लिंक्स हैं। जैसे सोनाक्षी ने बताया था, यहाँ पे एरो का सिंबल है, इसका मतलब है दिस विल रीडायरेक्ट यू टू दी another site, the core plus site or the website from where these are available, and you can go and access it from there. Okay, so we'll just come back and see the other options. Under customers, you can see your list of PCs, any order history which was there. There's no order here, so at this moment it is blank, and the list of customers, which is also blank. So this is not populating on this particular number, but for you it will show up here. Okay. The next is the group. So once you click here, it will take you to the Core Plus portal, to the respective page. आपको मालूम होगा कि Core Plus portal के landing page में भी आपके current performance दिखाई देता है, and then you have the hamburger menu there where you can see all the options. So you can go to other options of Core Plus also from here, but since you wanted to see the team, you can come in here and do it. Now I would like to point out here that if you see here the particular ADS partners in the list, यहाँ पर एक black आंख की तरह एक आई का एक आइकन बना हुआ है. So this means this is if you want to select anybody on a watch list. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया watch list option है. अगर हम किसी को हम watch list में add करना चाहते हैं, you can just click on this eye symbol. You can click on the eye symbol, and that gets added to your watch list. Okay. And watch list में कौन से ADS partners को include कर सकते हैं? You can select anybody whom you want in your LOS. Basically, it's like a shorter version of your team. If you have anybody you want to especially have attention on, for example, your BFIs or BBIs or potential BFIs and BBIs, fast trackers, potential Q-month qualifiers, or people who are on, say, your Team Neutralite or Beauty Achievers Club. Some of these can be added here so that when you come to the main option back, when you come to the option, you are able to see this in the watch list option. So suppose you have a team of 100 ADS partners, but you want to you are focusing on 15-20 of them who are your active people. So you see some of these people who are selected, they appear here separately on the list below. This is very useful if you want to have particular ABOs you want to track and watch their performance quickly. The metrics and details which will come are the same as the LOS, but it's a quick look option of all those people you are particularly focusing on in your immediate platinum team. Within action reports, again, these are the same ones which we have in the current one, which is new partners in your team in the month, who is close to the next level, and those who have birthdays in the current month. These are the options which are available here. Okay, so this is how the dashboard works. Whenever you log in, जैसे आप log in करेंगे, आपको सबसे पहले इसी landing page पे लाया जाएगा. So I'm not going into the full Core Plus dashboard again, but we'll just show you a snapshot. जैसे Core Plus के अंदर लिंक करते हैं, तो आपने जिस ऑप्शन से सिलेक्ट किया है वहां पे तो लैंड कर ही देंगे, बट Core Plus में पहुंचते ही जो बाकी ऑप्शंस हैं, you can also access it from there. तो यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे जिस तरह से बना हुआ है, माई परफॉर्मेंस, माई टीम, माई कस्टमर्स, दिस इज ऑल सेपरेट. उसी तरह से नए ऐप में भी उसी तरह के ब्रैकेट्स बनाए जा रहे हैं. जैसे विजय ने, सुहानी ने बताया, ये एक नया प्लेटफॉर्म है, तो द बेस इज नाउ सेट. ऑल द फ्यूचर इंटरवेंशंस, नई चीजें जो ऐड की जाएंगी वो इन्हीं के तहत ऐड किए जाएंगे. So this now the base is set for having developing and building this app even more for a better performance for yourself and your teams. So that was the business dashboard. Okay, one thing I would like to remind you is that landing page यही है. आपको शॉपिंग और बिजनेस के लिए नीचे के जो दो आइकन्स है उनमें टॉगल करना पड़ेगा. एंड ये जरूर याद रखें कि जो आपके एग्जिस्टिंग ऐप है उसको आप अनइंस्टॉल कर दें. और फ्रॉम टुडे द न्यू ऐप विच इज कॉल्ड Amway Creators Plus, you can go to the App Store or Play Store, download it from there and start using this new app. तो अभी तक आपने बिजनेस सेक्शन तो पूरा देख लिया है. नाउ वी विल कम टू द एक्साइटिंग शॉपिंग जर्नी विच इज वेरी सिंपल. इसके लिए आई कॉल अपॉन माय कलीग चारू गुप्ता. ही विल बी coming and taking you through this walkthrough. So I am handing over the mic now to my colleague Charu.
Thank you, Suneet. Hello, everyone. So I would be taking through the shopping journey. And so we'll start first with this particular, this is the shopping page, and we'll start with the address selection first. So we click on the address selection. So Joe Sonakshi has already taken care of the address selection in the profile section, but the address can be selected from this shopping section as well. If there is an already listed address, we can select from this particular addresses, and we can add the new addresses as well. So we'll add one new address. So just we'll put all the details of the new address. So we'll put all the addresses which is essentials, which is mandatory. And for better delivery and all, we'll request everyone to also put the landmark, which is very important for our delivery boys. So once we complete, once we are adding this address, and we'll add the postal codes and all details, which is mandatory. And we'll add the alternative. We have an also option to add the alternative mobile number. And if we want to make this new address as a default address, we can do that. And now we'll select this as a default address. So we select this as a default address for this particular order. So now we can choose the order through the search and from the category page as well. So first we'll go to the category page and select the products from the home from the personal care glister. So in this page we can see on the right hand side there's one sort section as well as the filter. So in the sort we can see that we can choose the product as per their popularity, price, and the point value. So whatever we want to choose, by default, it will be on the basis of the popularity. And then we'll go to the filter section, where we can choose the product as per the subcategories. And here we have also a category called brand. So in personal care, we have two brands. One is Glister and Persona. We'll choose Glister, where we are in this particular, for this particular order. So we can search whatever the product which you want to choose. So we'll choose this particular multi-action glister. And another, so now we can go to the view cart page. And if you want to add more products, we can add for the search and another category page. So now this is the, so we can search the product, add the product to the top from here. Yeah, so we'll add to my cart in this case. And we'll again go to view cart. Now all the products which are being, which we have selected are being displayed here. If we want to add the product, the quantity, we can do it from this page, and also we can remove the product. So here we are removing this product glister here. And at the down, we can see that estimated total, which is the breakup of the invoice, which we can see with all the cost, distributor price discount, delivery cost, if any, and all the taxes and all. Then we can click on the checkout page if you want to proceed further, if the order is ready to select. So now we are on the payment page. Here, where all the payment modes are already displayed, where we want to choose, where is the M points, M purse, credit card, mobile wallets, networking, and the new section, which a new payment mode, which is we added in this mobile creators app, is the UPI, which was not earlier available in the mobile section, mobile app. So we'll choose as a mobile UPI as a mode of payment for this particular order. So when we choose that, we will go to the landing page of the particular our payment gateway, where we would be now entering our details. So to complete all details and all, this will approximately take 30 to 40 seconds. So, but we have already all, we can choose any other payment modes we can choose. So let's wait till to complete this particular order. So yeah. So now we are just putting our password from all our screens. So till the time the payment gateway is approved by your respective bank, once it is approved, we'll get back to a creators app or the order confirmation once it's get approved. So now the order is get approved, and we have placed the order for this particular. So now let's say assume that we have placed an order. Now we can see this order from the order history page. Which will be there in the profile section. So this particular order is already there, and now you can see at the right, we have an option of either we can reorder this, or there is an option we can cancel this order within half an hour. If we want that the order is by mistakenly, we have processed this particular order. So we would be canceling this option order in this case. Yeah. So now the order is cancelled, and we'll get the refund back to your respective bank account and whatever the payment mode you have choose for this selection of the order. Now we'll create one group order. The selection of the products is same as we go to the search section or for the product from the product category. Now we'll go from any of the product category and choose the product from there. Yeah. So we'll adding the subcard here, and for the downline number. Once we will verify this detail, whether this ABO is valid in our downline or not. So once it is added, so we can confirm, and we can confirm this group card and add the quantity in this. So then we will again choose one of the product we can add. Let's assume that now we have this, but we have added this product in both the cards. Now we want to add one product only on the sub card. So we'll see that journey as well. So we have again choose Turret Top as a reference, and we'll select as a sub card only at PC test this particular ABO number. This we will select that as a. So now we add to card. We'll go to the view card now, and see all the whatever the cards we have created. We can see self card and the sub card. So we can see the details by clicking any of the card, what we have chosen in that. So now we'll choose, we'll process the order. Again, with the same payment modes, we can choose for the UPI as a mode of payment. So it will be the same journey for a single and a group order. That's the no change in that. So we'll just verify our order again. So it will take again 30-40 seconds to complete the transaction. Yeah. So this is the page which we have already made of the Google Pay. And once the order get through, we will get back to the order history page. think it's, yeah, the order has got confirmed. And this is the journey of the shopping journey. And with this, I would like to call Suneet to take the session further.
थैंक यू चारू, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद शॉपिंग जर्नी को पूरी विस्तृत तरह से दिखाने के लिए फॉर नॉर्मल ऑर्डर एज वेल एज अ ग्रुप ऑर्डर। तो इसके साथ विद ऑल दीज 3 सेक्शंस ऑफ बिजनेस, प्रोफाइल मैनेजमेंट एंड द शॉपिंग जर्नी, आपने नए क्रिएटर्स ऐप का जर्नी देख लिया। इस लॉन्च के साथ हमने फर्स्ट फेज हासिल किया है कि हमने जो एग्जिस्टिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है उससे एक नए इम्प्रूव प्लेटफॉर्म पे सारे फीचर्स माइग्रेट हो गए। You have seen a few features coming in, like Myra has got added. Business dashboard का नया outlook है, which is more in sync with the website and for future enhancements. You can see the upfront, the current month earning उसके ऊपर आ जाएगा। What we will encourage you is that in the beginning, Vijay elucidated, उन्होंने सारे जो business interventions है, right from entry level ADS partners up to everyone, he called out all of them. Do encourage all your team members to use the mobile app. पहले तो अगर पुराना वाला है उसको uninstall करें, नए वाले को install करें, mobile app को use करें, website भी use करें, use all the features. For newer ABOs, it is always better that you can see your estimated income for the month right upfront and explore all the features, because in the Core Plus you can see how your income is generating for the month. The shopping journey is so easy and intuitive. The business management and profile management is also quite simple. Please use these features. We heard that the term ease of doing business. आपने वो देख लिया होगा कि this is a very easy to use, intuitive, modern app. इसका ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आप प्रमोट करें, अपने टीम में इस्तेमाल करें, so that everyone can have a smoother journey. With this, I would like to thank all the speakers. I would like to thank all of you for joining the session today and experiencing the new Amway Creators Plus app with us today. Wishing you all the best for your business this month and ahead in this 25th anniversary year. Thank you very much.